Shalom Aleichem Rabotai. The Mishnah Yomi continues in the 8th parak of Terumot at the 6th Mishnah. Yesterday we talked about snake venom and gilui mayim, leaving liquids out where there's a concern that snakes or poisonous animals will drink from them and spread the poison. Similar concept today. Mishnah Vav Nikure Te'enim. Holy Te'enim, meaning they have a hole in them. They have a nikor. They've had a puncture made in the fig, ve'anavim, and grapes, kishuim, dloim, avtichim, lafafanut. And all of these cucumbers, gourds, melons, or the cute little Eretz Yisrael cucumbers, so any of them that have a hole in it, afiluhem kikar, even if they're a very large fruit. Kikar is large measure, echad godol ve'echad katan, whether the hole itself is a big hole or a small hole, echad tolish ve'echad mechubar, whether this fruit is talush, detached from the ground, or mechubar, if it's still attached from the ground, kol yisheyesh bo lecha, if it's a fruit that has liquid inside of it, and the liquid could theoretically spread the venom, asur. So we're concerned that a snake came and used the hole to eat or drink from the fruit, or punctured the fruit itself and spread poison in the fruit. And this is the same problem as yesterday, a poisonous scorpion, or poisonous snake, or something like this. It's a sakanat nefashot. It's very dangerous, and we're concerned. We don't want people to die, God forbid. Mishnah ends up, neshuchat hanochash, a bitten by a snake, meaning an animal, a kosher animal, bitten by a snake, asura. You can't eat the meat of this animal, b'pnei sakanat nefashot. Now this is even when the animal didn't die from the snake. The animal had a proper shechita, and they're examining the animal, and they find, a snake bite and some swelling on the leg. Nothing that makes the animal treifa. The animal's perfectly kosher, but had a snake bite. We're concerned that the snake was poisonous, and the poison spread throughout the body. Mishnah Zayin, Hamshameret Shel Yayin, a strainer of wine. It's the thing that catches the shimurim of the wine, the dregs. Asura mipnei gilui. That's asur from gilui. Now what he means is, even if you poured the wine through a fine strainer, that the Chachamim say that doesn't necessarily work to get out all of the venom. Rabbi Nechemya mater. Rabbi Nechemya says if you have a good strainer, you could save your wine by straining the wine. Again, we mentioned yesterday, nowadays people are not machmir, and even the Shulchan Aruch is not machmir on gilui, on uncovered liquids and fruits like this, because there's not a lot of poisonous snakes around, thank God. It used to be a lot more poisonous snakes were around. That was the Metzias. Nowadays, people are much more makel because there are much less snakes. Baruch Hashem. Sei gesund, have a great day, and avoid the snakes.